Hey there, machine enthusiasts! Ready to be amazed by the giants of modern engineering? Today we bring you the top biggest machines in the world, showcasing the most powerful and advanced technology out there. We collect these incredible machines just for you every day. Curious to see which ones made the list? Hit subscribe and let's get started.
Embarking on a journey fraught with challenges, steep inclines and tight turns, Fassula's Heavy Transports takes on the formidable task of transporting the Volvo EC-650 excavator and the Caterpillar 235. This endeavor requires the utmost precision and expertise to navigate treacherous terrain and tight corners successfully. In the realm of heavy hauling, German brands reign supreme as icons of power and legend. The robust MAN and Mercedes-Benz trucks, revered as the strongest of their kind in Germany, are the chosen steeds for this daunting mission. With their formidable engines and unparalleled reliability, these trucks prove themselves worthy companions for transporting the weighty machinery, ensuring the safe and efficient delivery of the excavator and bulldozer to their destination. The LIEBHERR PR776 LeTourneau Crawler Dozer is the ultimate machine for tough jobs like ripping, transporting materials, and grading. With an operating weight of up to 73,189 kilograms and a blade capacity of 22 cubic meters, it is built to handle heavy-duty tasks. At the heart of this beast is a 565 kilowatt 12-cylinder engine, delivering a massive 768 horsepower. With all LIEBHERR components working in harmony, this dozer offers unparalleled reliability and efficiency. The LIEBHERR R9400 mining excavator offers several key advantages. Firstly, its extensive digging depth significantly enhances productivity, allowing for deeper and more efficient excavation. Additionally, the large working volume of the bucket ensures that more material can be moved with each scoop, further boosting operational efficiency. The robust crawler base is another critical feature, providing exceptional stability during excavation, which is essential for safe and effective operations. Together, these attributes make the LIEBHERR R9400 a powerful and reliable choice for mining projects. In the rugged heart of Western Australia, a beast of a machine is on the move. This isn't just any excavator. It's a Hitachi X5600, a 550-ton titan of mining, so massive it has to be transported in two parts. Centurion Transport, a name synonymous with heavy haulage, takes on this challenge, navigating the vast Great Northern Highway. But this isn't just a story of logistics. It's a testament to the resilience of the Australian transport industry. Despite the collapse of giants like Heavy Haulage Australia, companies like Centurion keep on trucking, proving their expertise and unwavering commitment to getting the job done. Fortunately, this heavy vehicle safely navigated the slope. The G480, laden with tens of tons of wood, must maintain a very slow speed when handling sharp turns to ensure safety. Watching the logging truck navigate that muddy road had me holding my breath. The tension was palpable. Any misstep could spell disaster. The Marloff Road vehicle, hauling two massive trucks, embarked on a memorable journey along the challenging 30-kilometer road. Harriket Heavy Lifting and Project Transportation Company successfully transported a massive 600-ton autoclave from Izmir, Aliyah, to Manisa, Gordes, in Turkey. The 65-day operation covered a distance of 180 kilometers and involved overcoming a 12% maximum grade and bypassing 11 bridges. The impressive cargo, with dimensions of 32.45 meters by 7 meters by 7.05 meters, required the use of a 22-axle 3-file Goldhofer PST, a SLE self-propelled modular transporter, to ensure safe and efficient transport. This project highlights Harriket's expertise in heavy lifting and project transportation, demonstrating their ability to handle complex logistical challenges and deliver successful outcomes for their clients. This is undeniably one of the most perilous undertakings in the realm of transportation. The Super Heavy Haul crew at Lone Star Transportation embarks on a monumental journey with a demethanizer tower in tow. This towering structure, equipped with 92 wheels, symbolizes the pinnacle of engineering prowess and logistical finesse. For the uninitiated, a demethanizer tower is more than just a colossal metal structure. It serves as the heart of a process that separates liquefied natural gas, LNG, into its various components through the application of heat. As the LNG ascends the tower, its components condense at different levels, allowing for the extraction of distinct substances from each section. The mission ahead is not merely a transportation task, but a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. Guided by precision planning and unwavering expertise, A colossal 80-meter superyacht, weighing an impressive 1,680 gross tons, has been successfully launched at the Bilgin Yachts shipyard in Istanbul. Witness the breathtaking spectacle as this engineering marvel is meticulously transferred onto a floating dock using 64-axle self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs. This remarkable achievement highlights the cutting-edge technology and meticulous planning required to launch such a monumental vessel, marking a significant milestone in Turkish shipbuilding. Oh my gosh, I could never imagine navigating that muddy road, even in a family car, let alone while hauling several tons of wood. Watching this video gave me goosebumps. It's truly incredible to see such skilled and steady truck drivers manage these challenging conditions. How many points would you give this driver? Comment below and let us know. Deep within the heart of the forest, the roar of powerful machinery and the rhythmic chop of wood reverberate through the trees. This symphony of sounds heralds the presence of the formidable Valmet 84.3, a marvel of engineering crafted for timber harvesting and transportation. At its core is a robust diesel engine, driving the machine with an impressive capacity of 168 key dobblers. The Valmet 84.3 is incredibly versatile, capable of being outfitted with a range of transportation equipment, including a multi-purpose crane, a cabin-mounted crane, a body-mounted crane, and various other devices. These tools enable the effortless transport of logs, spanning lengths from 4 to 16 meters and weights from 1 to 5 tons. Designed to be in action. Forget Jurassic Park. This mobile debarker is the real dinosaur attraction. Picture a prehistoric beast with a ferocious appetite, chomping through logs, but unlike its extinct ancestors, this machine is here to stay. Who knew debarking could be so thrilling? This marvel of human creativity and engineering prowess is revolutionizing the industry. Ready to be amazed. Transporting up to 50 tons of wood, this impressive vehicle cautiously maneuvers through narrow and steep mountain passes, showcasing both power and precision. The AGCO Challenger MT975B is a farming powerhouse. This tractor boasts over 600 GP and a maximum weight of 2017, making it the most powerful production tractor available. Its 18.1-liter engine and 1,500-liter fuel tank are ready for the toughest jobs. With the industry's widest and heaviest frame, it's built to last and handle the biggest tasks with ease. On January 13, 2024, a daring heavy haulage operation took place, transporting 5 prestigious yachts. The Princess X-95, Ferretti Yachts 720, Riva 66 Rebelle, Azimut Magellano 60, and Azimut Flybridge 53. Valued at $12 million, these mega yachts posed a significant challenge due to their weight of up to 110 tons and length of 29 meters. The risky endeavor involved pulling the yachts ashore from the pontoon using heavy haulage trucks. The top-heavy nature of these vessels added an extra layer of complexity to the transport, demanding meticulous planning and precise execution to avoid potential accidents. What an incredible display of heavy hauling power at the Makken Special Transport Dock in the Netherlands. The departure of these massive trucks, each carrying colossal loads, is a true testament to the engineering and logistical expertise involved in specialized transport. The sheer size and weight of these vehicles, combined with the complex maneuvering required, showcase the dedication and skill of the drivers and support teams. This spectacle truly captures the awe-inspiring world of heavy-haul transportation. The 600 UBS, Africa's biggest tractor, was built in 1994 by Alf and Koos Kootser. Although the ACO factory has since closed, the legacy of these tractors endures. With a base weight of 25 tons and a V12 ADE 444 Ti engine producing 820 GP, this machine was designed to tackle the toughest jobs.